The King's Weaver, Chapter 22. The Kiss Irava. Caleb, the king says as his guards let me into his study. He stands from his desk, shoving a stray strand of dark hair back behind his ear. He smiles, and he is gorgeous when he smiles. For a moment, my heart stops, and I stand just inside the door, frozen, unsure of what I should do next. I should probably run. Oh gods, I should probably run and make Caleb disappear before this can go on any further. Toravan hesitates as he comes around his desk, smile faltering. So I smile back. I have to. I bow, and he makes a dismissing wave, as if we're old friends. But we're not. We're not. And when I straighten again, some of the wariness has returned to his eyes, and it breaks me to know that it's justified. Shall we? He asks, waving toward the door that leads to his father's suite. Of course, Your Majesty. Call me Toravan, he says over his shoulder, as he strides through the door. If you're going to teach me, I can't be a king to you. I have to be your student. And what am I to do with that? His mood is weird today, alternating between that wariness and a glowing, bubbling excitement. And then he stiffens all up again as we move back into his father's bedroom, and he sees his father's empty, made-up bed. Does he want me to survey the room again? Or no, he wants to see it for himself. He wants to see what I saw, and so he's brought me here again. Some tutors in my mother's court would be ever effusive, always bowing, and never admitting that any of the Queen's children could ever give the wrong answer to a math problem. My favorites, though, treated me as an equal. They respected me enough to tell me when I was wrong and help me find the right way. So I'm going to do the latter. Toravan already asked me to use his name. Toravan, I say, and his name shoots as much electricity through me as when he said mine. He looks up at me, expectant. So I take a breath, wave toward the bed. How much can you see? None of it, he says, turning back to the bed. He touches the brocade bed cover, the rings on one hand glinting. I can feel an angst in this room, but I'm not sure if that's not just my own grief. I move closer, inhaling his scent. A little different today. Musky, earthy, as if he went to bed after his hunt without washing. And maybe he did. And I absolutely must keep my mind on teaching him just now and nothing else. So I walk him through what I learned about how to focus my own concentration to better sense the flows of reality around me. The careful breathing exercises, the softening of my focus, setting my will to see reality and be able to move it as necessary. He follows me, only breaking my instruction to ask questions on if he's doing something right, which is good. He's not following me without thinking it through first. He's eager, but not reckless. And as I walk him